Okay, so welcome back to another video. Today we will be testing the durability of the Energy Monster Truck in Car Crushers 2. Don't hit anything. We hit something. It's alright though, because the truck isn't damaged. We'll be turning PvP off too, so. Better. Okay. So here we go. Kinda looks like a Chevy Suburban. It might be based off that. That's not good. These headlights just make it look like a girl. I don't know why. It doesn't look right though. It's alright. So we'll be testing the durability by sending off jumps and stuff, so do that. This jump, because that one's kind of rough. Yeah, see, that is rough. It's fine though. It holds up. You know, stuff like that. So this shall be great. Oh crap, we didn't make it through the loops. We can get out of this, maybe? Oh no. Isn't good. Yep. So, that was a failed attempt. We'll try this again. We'll try this again. Let's start around the dirt track, I guess. I'll go over here. Let's start over on the dirt track. Just a second, Mom! Uh, so, yeah. So, ow. Yeah, that would probably happen on the way in anyway, so it's alright. Um, you know, we could, I guess we could do time travel, it's alright. Anyways, so we'll drive around through the checkpoints. Oh crap, this is not good. So yeah, we'll drive around and, um, but go up around one time, and then we'll go to the stunt park. I'm also a horrible driver, so this will go well. I guess this is when you don't go to a race. I guess it's practicing. I don't know, but I guess it is. So then you probably come around here pretty fast. So it's actually a lot easier with the monster truck, I would say. Not that much damage. I mean, I see a little bit of damage in the wheels and on the front a little bit. I'm surprised I didn't take out the front end. It's alright. So we'll be yeah, it'll be great. We'll do this. But yeah, we'll go around here and click. There we go. Okay. So that's lucky. Right. We'll go up here. Oh crap. There we go. Did not go as planned. Right, you could. Oh boy. We rolled over. It's alright. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's alright. We just keep going around, destroying this thing. We'll go over a rock with it right like this. You know, that had to destroy the suspension. The suspension is fine. Of course, it makes perfect sense. Ow. Oh no. Oh boy. Alright, here we go. We'll go up this jump. Yeah, it's actually holding up pretty well. It's hasn't gotten destroyed yet. I haven't actually been beating the crap out of it, right? Uh, like, next thing we're gonna do, we did that before and it did not work, so that's all right. Oh wait, we don't fit in here, huh? Oh, we will make it fit. It's a tight squeeze, but we'll make it fit. Maybe we might have to take out the top. This is for scientific purposes only. Never try this at home. No, okay, okay. So, for research purposes, stop. No, not that part. It's alright. It'll be fine. You have no driver's seat. Okay, yes, that's much better. Agility. Oh, we're so close. We're gonna make it. Okay, so something's really messed up with Rivers. I wonder what happened. It's just a giant hole. Well, that's funny. Okay, ha! Here we go. Go, go. Ah! Oh, okay, that didn't work. Okay, well, this isn't gonna work. So we can't get in there. We can do this. I have to get up and plug my stupid computer in because the battery lasts like for 2 seconds. I literally just unplugged it and it was at 100%. So, okay, it's plugged in. We will do this. We can do this. Don't worry. It will get destroyed pretty soon because I bet I could go off a jump at like full speed and see we're at 100. It's gonna get destroyed right now. Surprisingly not. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, this thing is a lot more durable than I thought it would be. Yeah, so that's great. If you want a monster truck to bash, holy frick. If you want a monster truck to bash at the Stun Park, get this one. This is actually pretty impressive what it can do. Like, it's doing really well. See, it's fine. Oh my gosh. My gosh. You go on X Games mode. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Oh, there goes a wheel. We lost the first wheel. Ah. Oh. Oh no. Okay, here we go. So. Oh crap. Oh no. We're so close. We can do it. Yaw. They're not dead yet. Somehow we're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. If I could get some speed, I could we'll go off this. This is gonna kill it for sure, buddy. How is it not dead? How? How? I'm recording a video.
I'm pretty sure I've given you everything you wanted. When do I get what I asked for?
In like 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes.
It's already been 5 minutes.
Oh, I'm recording a video.
I'm sorry.
Just a second. Okay, so we're gonna continue here. And this is gonna get destroyed. I'm going to destroy it. Eventually. If this doesn't kill it, I don't know what will. Oh my gosh. It's still... What? This thing is never gonna die. I'm just gonna accept that as a fact. Gonna... Okay. We'll hit this jump over here, because we can turn that way. Turn the other way. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's not dead. Bro, the shell is almost completely gone. So that's something. That's something. Oh crap. Come on. We can do this. Oh. Oh. Oh! It has no turning radius. It still drives though, so it's not dead yet. Here, watch. Watch here. I'll help. It hasn't reacted. Why is everything so slow right now? We're driving on tires that have been burned. Okay, that counts as dead, so it's pretty durable. Okay, last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the dragster. And I want to show you something cool that we can do with this thingy. Now, it is hard to do, but you can do it. I don't know how you can do it. I don't know how you do it. You can do it. So, you go like this, and then you just smack it like this. And if you do it right, oh my gosh. Oh, you can get up on the roof anyways, so that's the point.
Just recording your screen, right?
Yes. You can't talk to me because it's recording my voice too. So yes. There might be another. Oh, there is another way to do it. It's right. Oh crap! It's right up. It's right. No. Oh yeah, it's over here. It's the same place. There's not another. Well, there's another place, but it's a lot harder. I've only had luck with one car, and it was not this one, surprisingly. Like, oh, it surprises you. It surprises. How does that? What? Ow. Something. Oh wait, I know what you have to do. Hold on. I know what you have to do. So, take your crowbar. Most people have a crowbar, I think. Try not to destroy the wheels. Probably are going to, but see, there's a wheel gone. You can do it right. You can get it to get clearance. You can do here because it's so low. Actually, probably the best thing to do is just pop. Yep, there you go. Now you have clearance. Now that you have clearance. Oh wait, yeah, this is totally the way to do it because I remember the first time I did it. I did it on accident actually. You know, I hit a car before I went, and so that means I had clearance. Like, it doesn't matter if your wheels are messed up because it doesn't actually change your performance. That is for sure. At least I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but this is how you do it. So you ram into a wall with the dragster. I'm pretty sure it's only with the dragster. Then you do a couple front flips, and if you do it right, you will land on the roof. I'll show you. Just hit this wall right here, not at too high speed. Not at such a high speed. Here. Oh, there we go. It's fine. We'll just hit this right here. There. See? You gotta have it like that. Else the glitch will not, well, it's not even glitch. The flying will not work because, you know, reasons. And then, like, I came in here and I hit a car, and so then that means so you have to hit it right about there, like, more to this side than that side. Ah, there we go. Wait, that's it. No, that's not it. We're getting close. We can do this in just a second here. There we go. See? Okay. And hurry. Yep. So we're gonna get over here. All right. We'll try this real quick, and then Oh wait, there we go. Aha! I did it. And there's not even damage to my car. Well, I mean, there's a little bit, but of course there's a little bit. And then what you can do is you can fly. Anyways, that's the glitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful night. Okay, there we go.
I'm thrilled to know that Rachel said you put a cat with them. But you're not going if you don't go start the dishwasher.
I will go start the
Get
dishwasher.
off the strain, which you said was done at 8:20.
I said 8:20.
At 8 o'clock, you said I have 20 minutes left.
Oh, is it at 8 o'clock?
I feel like I'm getting taken.
Okay.